today I'm going to attempt put this motor back in here. Just went on ahead and threw the stock exhaust manifolds on here, and put my long tubes on here. So, and then ciao, Gio. Okay. Earlier today I got this screw up out of here. So, I mean, we should be set to go. I changed out this air compressor with the one that was on my old motor. And I believe that's everything I really had to do to go ahead and put this motor back in there.
I'm gonna put your edge in.
Yep. Wait.
I'm not trying to hold on.
So make sure you go to the left.
Ready? Wait. I'm not doing nothing.
Wait, stop.
Alright, so slow, babe.
I said slow, babe. I'm done.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, the engine is back on the floor. We attempted to put it in, and my wife dropped it. So, to make this a little easier, because I need to be able to scoot the, need to be able to scoot the engine hoist back far enough to line the motor up with the engine bolts, the bell housing bolts, and the motor mount bolts. So that's why I was sitting on the hood trying to pull the motor back to line it up. So to make it easier, I end up just taking the bumper off. I'm working on taking the radiator and the transmission cooler and all the oil cooler and all this shit off right now. I was trying to avoid this, but now I'm doing it. So I wish I'd have just did this in the first place. I probably would have had the engine back in already, but here we go, y'all. So I'll probably just check back in with y'all when I got all this shit off, and when I'm putting the motor back up in here later. What up, y'all? Pretty much got this motor in. Ended up having to take the front bumper and all that shit off. The hold up right now is trying to get this engine mount right here, the little screw right there. I got one screw in there. I'm trying to finish tightening it. I'm just a little worried. It's kind of hard to tighten it, so I hope it's not stripping the fucking this shit. And then we gotta align the bell housing bolts up with the transmission. But other than that, I mean, I got it back in there. Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. This bitch swinging way lower. I got the lowering spring on that helper. But we are officially, possibly, we gonna see. But we should be done with all this. Everything should be connected. I should just be able to put some oil in this bitch, put some coolant in this bitch, plug the battery up, and motherfucker should start, man. Let's hope. It has been very frustrating, very frustrating trying to get this motor back up in here, y'all. I end up having to take the whole front end apart. That's why the bumper gone. But fuck this go to it right there. But yeah, this motherfucker saying low, boy. I like it, bitch. But alright, y'all, I'm finna run to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Walmart, one of the 2 or 3, and I'm finna get some oil, some coolant. I'm finna start this bitch. See what happens. What's up, G? Alright, y'all, we about to start this joint. Hopefully, everything goes good.
Yep.
Alright, so I got it hooked up to the truck right now. And I'm gonna kinda let it just charge for a minute. And then I'm gonna try to start that bitch again. Hopefully, I know I plugged everything up right, so it's gotta be the battery. So we'll see what's up. It's running, y'all. I missed it. Hold on. That bitch started right up with the first fucking, with the new battery. I don't know where that smoke coming from. Let me see. Look like the smoke coming from the headers. Probably got like a little, I hear a little exhaust leak. The smoke definitely coming from the headers. I wonder why. It's just oil burning off the headers. Or off the exhaust. That bitch running, y'all. Gotta check engine light on, of course. Try to let it warm up a little bit. That bitch running. I wonder why the radiator fans is kicked on already. Not yet. That bitch running, y'all. Sound good too. She running, my boy. It's dark, but about to hit these streets, man. I ain't got the long tube headers on yet, but that's what my lights look like. YouTube, what is up, man? What the fuck is up, man. Yeah. We in this motherfucker, man. We on the drive right now. We just got this bitch tuned. It's not that fast. It don't really feel the same like when it was in the other one. Hold up. So we got this bitch tuned today, y'all. We on the street, man. We actually driving this shit. I got a major exhaust leak over here somewhere on this side. We on that second gear right now. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the freeway. But yeah, so I paid like $280 for this dude to come through and do a little tune. So I mean, man, y'all, feel good to be driving this bitch. I got the sunroof open, got the windows down. Oh shit. Let's make this light. Oh shit. Oh shit. This about to get sideways. You know I got this bitch in manual mode. You already nizzo. I'm not trying to do too much because I don't have no insurance. So I'm just kind of enjoying the fact that I had this car damn near 6-7 months, probably a year. And this is my first time driving it for real. This shit feels good. So we do got a check engine light on. I need some air in my tire and all that shit's on. And I think it's on because of the lowering springs I put on here. So temperature doing good. She driving good, y'all. Shit, it's a little laggy, I would say, in my opinion. But you know, we could work on the little tweaks and shit a little bit later. I'm just happy that I could get in this joint and like drive it up the street. Like, I'm driving this bitch, y'all. Like this shit is crazy. Now I gotta get my little 360 camera. I can hold the camera and kind of just drive. Kind of just trying to enjoy the fact that I'm driving this bitch right now, y'all. Alright, about to jump on the freeway. We still just in automatic mode. I would have did a little on the freeway pull, but y'all see what's going on, all the traffic. Back your bitch ass up, nigga. Fuck is you doing, boy? Driving it, bitch. Bro, that exhaust leak is insane. And I don't know if it's coming from the headers, like where I put the headers on, or fucking roll my windows up. Yeah, that exhaust leak is crazy, bro. But I mean, we on the freeway and I'm driving it, bitch. This shit crazy, girl. Let's do a little bit of manual mode. Yeah, I definitely gotta find a better camera setup, bro. I can't switch the gears and fucking be cutting up in traffic for real. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm big swerving, big swerving. This joint driving smooth. Let me put it back in auto right quick. Hold up. We just cruising. Alright, but hey, low key, my phone about to die, so I might jump off the freeway and do like a few little first gear pulls, and then probably end the video right there. But I'm gonna check in with y'all. Alright, y'all, we back on the streets. Just so y'all can hear a little bit of exhaust, you know what I'm saying? We about to roll past the police station right now, so we ain't about to get too rowdy past the police station. What gear we in? We in first. Yeah, y'all, we in this thing, bro. Man, it feels good. It feels really good. Feels really good, really good. Every time I get the camera out, I get to swerving, I swear. I'm trying to shift them gears. I'm gonna get some better footage for y'all, like driving footage. This just like, I just got this joint going. I'm trying to kind of just try to enjoy the moment and let y'all enjoy the moment with me a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we just cruising, little slight. Some slight, you know what I'm saying? A second gear it. It might need some tweaks. I feel like it's a little sluggish. Like, I don't know if I'm just sliding in first gear, but like the power kicks in a little bit late. But like I said, I need to not have a camera in my hand and just really try to. I'm just driving this bitch right now, y'all. I'm just enjoying this shit right now, for real, for real. I done put this bitch back in drive. Bro, this exhaust leak is insane. I swear I need to get that fixed ASAP. Oh shit, it's a nigga crossing the street. Fuck it, I'm just gonna go. Fuck it. Sorry, bro. Hold on, let me try to get first gear. Woo! Shit. That shit switched gears for me, and then I'm in fucking manual, so that probably ain't good. She moved though. I can't do too much with this camera in the hand, bro. I'ma crash. I'm going to crash. Just a little something slight. Woo! 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 Yes! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Oh, this nigga would get like in the way. I shouldn't be speeding up the street anyway. Shit, it's all good. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Alright, well, I'm probably gonna end the video right here. That's a Chrysler 300, but it's a V6, so, and I'm not trying to race nobody right now. I need to get the hang of my gear shifting and shit. But I might just end the video right here, y'all. There's a lot of traffic right now, so I'm not trying to do nothing